Good morning all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. In this video we will continue our chapter Computer Networks of class 12th. Today we will learn about the network topologies. Let's begin the introduction of network topology. The pattern of interconnection of nodes in a network is called the topology. There are basically 6 types of topologies: bus topology, ring topology, tree topology, star topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. According to our syllabus, we have only 3 kinds of topologies, that is bus topology, star topology, or tree topology. So let's understand all these 3 types of topologies one by one. Number 1, bus topology. It is also known as linear topology. Bus topology is a network setup where each computer and network device is connected to a single cable which is known as backbone. Depending on the type of computer network card, a coaxial cable or an RJ45 network cable is used to connect them together. Let's see the advantages of bus topology. It is easy to connect a computer or peripheral to a linear bus. It requires less cable length. It is cheaper than other network options. The failure of one computer does not affect the rest of the network. Let's see some disadvantages of bus topology. Security options are limited with bus topology. Maintenance costs are higher. Entire network shuts down if there is a break in the main cable. Terminators are required at both ends of the backbone cable. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's move on to our second topology, that is star topology. In star topology, all the computers are connected to the central located device called as hub. All the devices on the network are connected with a hub device through a communication link. Each computer requires a single wire for the connection to the hub. In star topology, there exists a point-to-point connection between a node and hub device. The hub device takes a signal from any node and passes it to all the other nodes in the network. The hub works as a server and it controls and manages entire functions of the network. Let's see some advantages of star topology. It is easy to manage and maintain the network because each node requires separate cable. It is easy to locate problems because cable failure only affects a single user. It fault identification and removing nodes in a network is easy. Let's see some disadvantages of star topology. Entire performance of the network depends on the single device, that is hub. If the hub device goes down, the entire network will be dead. Star topology requires more wires compared to the bus topology. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's move on to our next topology, that is tree topology. So in tree topology, all the computers are connected like the branches of a tree. In computer networking, tree topology is known as a combination of a bus and star network topology. The main advantages of this topology are better flexibility and scalability. Let's see some advantages of tree topology. It provides high scalability as leaf nodes can add more nodes in the hierarchical chain. Other nodes in a network are not affected if one of their nodes get damaged. It provides easy maintenance and fault identification. Let's see some disadvantages of tree topology. Large cabling is required as compared to star and bus topology. On the failure of a hub, the entire network fails in tree topology. Tree network is very difficult to configure than other network topologies. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.